Nigeria isn't just a country, it's a rhythm, a flavor, a feeling that lives in every heartbeat and every plate. Nigeria sparkles, and nothing captures that spirit more than jollof rice, the nation's most loved dish, and a symbol of pride across West Africa. Tomato fire. Made with rich tomatoes, red peppers, onions, and spices that sing together in one pot, jollof rice isn't just food, it's a celebration. Red heart. No two jollofs taste the same, but every one of them tells a story of family, laughter, and love. Now step into Lagos, Nigeria's heartbeat, a city that never sleeps. Cityscape at dusk. From the beaches of Lekki to the lights of Victoria Island, energy flows through every street, blending modern skyscrapers with deep-rooted culture. Oncoming taxi musical notes. In Abuja, the capital, elegance meets tradition. Wide roads, lush landscapes, and stunning views of Aso Rock. What I love most about Nigeria is its soul. Bold, colorful, and unstoppable. Nigeria sparkles. From music to markets, food to fashion, everything here is alive with passion and pride. Speech balloon, have you ever tried jollof rice before? If this taste of Nigeria made you hungry for adventure, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Trip Tales Globe Show in Europe, Africa.